The blue field of our flag stands for hope, loyalty, patriotism, and honor. Do you understand the word hope? Means it is pag-asa. May paglaom. May pag-asa, may paglaom. Okay, loyalty. Pagiging tapat. Dito yan, loyalty loan. Pagiging tapat. When we say pagiging tapat, hindi ka nagtra-traidor. You're not a traitor to our country. You are loyal. You are matapat. Naintindihan? Patriotism. Ikaw ay makabayan, makabansa. Meaning, you love your country. You are patriotic. When you heard the national anthem, you stand erect, then you sing with the national anthem. Full of respect of our country, of our flag. Okay, and honor. So, meron nga nga honor, di rin iyaan. First honor, second honor. When we say honor, binibigyan mo siya ng karangalan. Karangalan.